Inductive approach. In an inductive approach to research, a researcher begins by collecting data that is relevant to his or her topic of interest. Once a substantial amount of data has been collected, the researcher will then look for patterns in the data and put forward a set of proposals, for example, theory to explain the observed patterns in the data. In other words, researchers move from data to theory, or from the specific to the general, when an inductive approach is followed in research. Let's see an example. Suppose an aviation manager of a private airline company wanted to see the performance of the schedules of low-cost carriers. He approached inductively as below, observing the schedules of various flights of the low-cost carriers of the week. Now see the observation. He observed that a low-cost airline flight is delayed. Then he approaches to observe a pattern, where he saw that another 20 flights from low-cost airlines of the week are delayed. So from this pattern, he developed a theory. All the observed low-cost carrier flights were delayed. Therefore, low-cost airlines always delay. So he has built up a theory. A conclusion drawn on the basis of an inductive method can never be proven, but it can be invalidated. Suppose you observe 1000 flights from low-cost airlines. All of them experience a delay, which is in line with your theory. However, we can never prove that flight number 1001 will also be delayed. Still, the larger your dataset is, the more reliable is your conclusion. In deductive approach, a researcher starts with a theory that they find compelling. Test is implication, suggestion, consequences with data. That is, they move from a more general level to a more specific one. Deductive approach is more scientific and more credible. Let's see an example. Start with an existing theory. Suppose the theory is all biological life depends on water to exist. Now from this theory you have to develop a hypothesis. Okay, now what is hypothesis? A hypothesis is a reasonable guess based on what you know or observe in the universe. Okay, now let's see what is the hypothesis. The hypothesis is all land mammals depend on water to exist. So this is a part of theory. Now third one is collect data to test the hypothesis. Now you collect data from a representative group of mammals species to see if they depend on water or not. So then you analyze the result. Does the data reject or support your hypothesis? Let's see. All the studied mammals depend on water, so it supports your hypothesis. So generalized statement, all land mammal species depend on water. So many scientists conducting a larger research project begin with an inductive study, means developing a theory. The inductive study is followed up with deductive research to confirm or invalidate the conclusion or theory. So this is all about inductive research approach and deductive research approach. I've tried my best to explain you pretty well and pretty easy. So if you have any confusion, then you can put your comment in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Thank you.